What in the fucking black myth of Wukong is this, man?
What did you just fucking say to me? She's my favorite. Wanna go gabba gabba gabba. Oh, fucking what? Where's...
I actually made the audio cut out in my headphones for a second.
I think I was just going temporarily, you know the word, temporarily. Oh, sir! Sir! Never mind, he got spangled. Got opened like a can of spaghetti in fingers.
What?
Yeah. Do you know my breath earlier, yeah? It smelled like tinned meat. Oh no! It'd be fine if I just come up in here and I come up in here and I come up. Oh, hello sir! Hello sir! Hello sir! Hello sir! Oh no! Oh no! Oh! I think I just did a bit of in I. You want to in my hello. Oh god! I got him. Pummeled. They can't seem to he who comes does not go. I am dead. That is. Oh schnitzel. Oh shamboli. Oh fucking sham. Oh limbo gungus.
Pascal, you didn't even die. How did you say that? You didn't kill anybody, you won't die. You just keep having a habit to be back.
What are wrong with you?
What are wrong with you? Many things.
Barley Jonas. I just got sacrificed to the fucking gods there. What was that?
Allah Jonas.
And Digby just sits in the thing. The server is really like what fucking as from putting the stuff. Hold on. The sir. Oh, this grenade there. We got a grenade here. We got a grenade there. What about all the shit? I'm there. I'm playing my part. Longest me.
That's a word.
Connor.
I hit my dragon.
Okay. Alright. Oh, Jeeber Keeber in the fever. I did get past your quality. I did find I took out a lot of their team. Why won't the fucking grappling hook work? I'm pointing at the grenades and like, oh, I don't feel like it today, so I'm so sorry.
Why don't you do like Alfred?
I don't know who's out of there.
You know who Alfred is? Pascal, I'm dead off.
Yeah, why? Connor, I'm gonna die. I've got it, don't worry. I've got it. Someone pick it up, please. Someone pick it up. 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 Someone pick it up.
Pascal, get the flag. Get the flag. Get the flag. Get the flag.
Yeah. Fuck. Yeah, you're right. I'm quitting this game. I don't like this game. I love Halo. I don't like this map. I hate myself. Cause it's just so shit.
It's so shit. Is it so shit?
Shut up your fat house. Shut up your fat house.
I feel like they made it all blue and cool.
Like dabba dee dabba die. Dabba dee dabba die, labba dee blah 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 blah. Hey! Oh, I'm at Vamo. Oh no.